A shocking swap deal could be on the cards between Manchester United and Barcelona. Barca want Marcus Rashford. And in return, they are ready to offer Marc-André Ter Stegen. Yes, you heard that right. If this deal happens, it could change everything for both clubs. Rashford's future at United is all but over. Aston Villa didn't activate the £40 million option to sign him permanently. And new boss Ruben Amorim has made it clear. Rashford has no place in the first team. Meanwhile, Barcelona are open to letting Ter Stegen leave, because they've already reached a verbal agreement with Espanyol keeper Joan Garcia. And Manchester United. They are losing patience with Andre Onana's inconsistent form. Ter Stegen could be their new number one. So, will Rashford head to Catalonia? And will Ter Stegen land at Old Trafford? Stay tuned. This could be a massive shake-up in world football. Because football is no longer just a game, it's drama, politics, and shocking transfer twists. Like, comment and subscribe for more football transfer drama.